Hey everybody, welcome to Sid's Tips, and today we are talking about a resistance band set by a company called SKL. They did send me this set, so today I am just going to share with you what is included. I'm not going to demo any of the workout. I will put a link in the description where you could see some of the other workouts that I've done, but it's more about what's included and just talk about some of the things that I've noticed for me and the benefits of resistance bands workout. And now is a great time to really invest in one of these that are affordable. You don't have to worry about going to the gym. You can get a good workout in, and there's some good benefits to you, and especially for your joints. So a lot of sets do come with what's very standard, where you've got your resistance bands and then you also have your handles, your door anchor, also for your legs, but they've also added a couple of other bonuses. One for your core, and then also these band loops. So I'll dive in and just talk more about it as we go. Let me first start with just talking about briefly resistance bands training workout. Again, this is a great time to start doing that. You definitely can tone up, you can definitely get stronger. But what I like about it, and especially for me, is your joint. I've had some issues with my elbow, I had some problems with my wrist, and the fun part's about getting older. But you use less potential wear and tear and beating up on your joints. So that's what's so great about it. And you know, certainly nothing replaces weights. But if you extend the number of repetitions with resistance bands workout, you can get a great workout. One way to think about this, if you ever had physical therapy and you're given one of those wraps to put around your door to work on your elbow, or for your arm, that's resistance. And it's the same kind of thing, but now you're taking it to a whole nother level. All right, now let's just talk about, in case you're new and wondering about resistance bands, they are labeled on these. They go up to 50 pounds of resistance. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And what's nice about this is if you wanted to stack it, you can do it. So if you wanted to do, let's say, 50 pounds of resistance, you could take these hooks and then put it on the handle. And one of the things I do also want to mention about this that I'm noticing is that these don't slide all the way down around the bottom of the hook that easily. So that has been a little bit of a challenge that I'm noticing with this set. So if you're considering that, these carabiner hooks tend to be a little bit smaller than other carabiner hooks, but maybe once you have them on there, and then it will wrap around, but it does take a little bit of work to do. So again, this is stacking, where you could have multiple resistance bands weight, and then you could do it on the other side too, and then you could do like your chest presses, you can do your back, you could do your shoulders. What's also very cool is a lot of times you're going to use your door frame, but you'll also be able to just use your body and standing, and there's a lot of great exercises. And talking about the door, and that's what this door anchor is, you want to make sure, and it will show you on here, that you want to put this on the inner part of your door frame, so your door doesn't come flying open. So do keep that in mind. Now, this is the instruction sheet. It talks about everything that's included, but what's nice is you can take this with you for reference for the types of workouts you're doing. So depending if you're doing the resistance bands, or if you're doing the slider core, or if you're doing the resistance bands loops. So that's nice. Now what's also great is, again, working out here at home, you could work outdoors, you could take it on the road with you, you can work at the hotel fitness center, which is great. So that is fantastic. Now let's just talk about everything that's included. So these are the grips. It's got a nice foam grip, and then again, you just have the hook that goes on there. This is the door anchor. This is like a foam material, and this is going to be on the outside of the room that you're working in, and then this tucks in the inner part of the door. Then for your legs, you've got these that hook around your ankles, so you could do leg workouts there. And then you have these are the band, loop band workouts for resistance, and they come in 5 colors of resistance. So anywhere from extra large all the way to extra heavy. I'll tell you about those here in a second. And then this is the bag everything fits in, and I'll show you how we'll get everything in right at the end of the workout. All right, now let's talk about the bands. So they are referenced as far as the color code and what the band is. So the yellow ones are 5 to 10 pounds of resistance, and just to give you an idea here with my arms, you could see how much I could stretch out. And then of course you can use these with your legs. You'll find there's a lot of different types of workouts that you can do with your legs. You can also definitely do these with your arms as well. So again, that's the yellow. It's fairly thin. All right, now we'll start getting thicker and this will get harder. So the next one is for red. This is the light, so you can see it's color coded there. And just to give you an idea, and that is 10 to 15 pounds. So you can see I could still go kind of far apart. And you can start feeling your shoulders. So that is the red. Next we have medium, and now it's getting thicker. This is 15 to 20 pounds of resistance. And there you go, that really feels it. Hey, you're really giving yourself a good workout there. The next one is the green, which is 20 to 30. That is really thick. And that is about, you see I can't even get wide beyond my screen here. So that is 20 to 30. And here we go, the Mac Daddy, the extra heavy one, and that is 30 to 40 pounds. And there you go. So that is pretty good. Now you probably could, I don't know if you'd want to stack it like you would with the, where you have wrap 2 of these around your legs or whatever, but you definitely can do that with these resistance bands, and really is a great workout. Leave any comments, by the way, if you are using resistance bands workout. How do you like it? How do you feel it's helped with your joints? And also kind of comparing with using this versus free weights. Now, let me go ahead and show you how we can get everything in here. And I do appreciate you connecting with me. By the way, if you find this video of help about this product, learning about it, give it a thumbs up, greatly appreciate it. And of course, subscribe to my channel, love new subscribers, very organic on my subscriber list. And also a like with the thumbs up. And so hit that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos as well, like this one. All right, so we got everything else in there. They got the sliders. We've got the hand grips, the door anchors, the ankles, and then the instruction sheet, which you can take on the go with you. And there you go. You got yourself a complete workout right in here, which is great, and you get yourself a great workout. So there you go. Let me know what you think. Check it out today. I really appreciate your time. Stay healthy, keep yourself fit. This is an affordable way where you can work out, you can take care of your body, you don't have to worry about your joints like you would with free weights, and you can feel good that you're taking care of yourself. All right, everybody, stay healthy. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.